Okay, it's time for today's CSS Battle. Let's see what we've got. Okay. I think this might end up being 3 gradients. So let's first set this background to that. Then we will bring these margins in or out, depending. It looks like it might be 90. Yeah. And 70. Yeah. And then we will do a radial gradient. We'll actually do 1 cube because we're not in a square. Radial gradient. How wide is this going to be? We'll call that 150. So it's 50 pixels. And then we'll do this. And that'll get us center. Do we actually want to do it like that? Let's only make this. Ooh. Actually, I think I'm going to bring this in by 30 pixels. Make that 120. And then we've got that instead, which will be easier to work with. Because then we can just do radial gradients. Then we want this color. Going 130. So 40 pixel radius probably. 1 cube. 40 pixels and then transparent. Where's that? That's right in the middle at the moment. Let's do 0, 0, and then make it that's the center of 1, so 120. That'd be the other, so 280 minus 120 is 160. Let's try 160 pixels wide. And what have we got? 70 to 140. Minus 80 pixels. And minus 70 pixels, maybe. Ooh, that's close to what I was after. Let's drop that down. Minus 80 might be too far. How about minus 75? actually be 50 pixels then. And then let's do minus 70. 60 minus 80 and minus 70. That gets us the top. Then maybe this is actually also 160 apart. That looks good. And then we just need the two on the back. Now, how far apart are these? It's going to be 160. So is it going to? It might well fall outside, which would be handy at this point. So we'll do a radial gradient. This color, 30 pixels, and then this color. We'll remember to add the 1Q. Zero, 60 pixels apart. Then just shift it over. What, 60 pixels? Too far. 40. 40 is looking close. Okay. And that is 100%. So let's minify and unit replace. See whether or not that still passes. We also see if we can get rid of that minus. We can. Symmetry is a great thing. Can't see anything else to cut from here. $190 characters is a bit long. I'm sure there are going to be some better solutions, but this is the only one that I can think of right now. And it works really quite nicely. I suspect that you could use a corner shape of notch to get this without having to use the radial gradient. Should we just quickly try that? I'd still need one radial gradient, but we wouldn't need this one. Let's take that out. Then let's do corner shape notch and border width 40. Maybe it's not border width that we'd use. Can I remember how corner shape works? Oh, border radius. Notch isn't what I want. What would be what I want? Excuse me while I just look this up. I think it's scoop. Scoop is close. Let's make that 50 pixels. That saves us some characters. 50 pixels can quite often be 53Q. Okay. So yeah, that did save us some. Can't see any other savings that I could do. So yeah, that's where I'm going to leave that. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.